Hey again, this is a college application tracker, Google Sheet and Excel spreadsheet. If you are applying to colleges and you're trying to get organized, this is a great spreadsheet to use. So I'm going to just go ahead and fill this out so you can see how it works. So I'm clicking in the cell and then I'm going to put the college name here. So I'm not really trying to use any trademark names. I'm just going to make something up. And then I'm going to hit the tab button and then put the website and then application fee and then application deadline. And then the status would be not started, in progress, or submitted. So in progress. And then the required documents. So this would be you looking to see what they need in order for you to apply. So say then your SATs, for you to fill out an essay and your test scores. The date applied, so let's just say that you applied on 12/20/24, and then whether or not it's the decision status is pending, accepted, waitlisted, or denied. So let's just say that you are pending, and the decision deadline, say this is going to be for 1/25. And then this is a place for you to pick your favorites. So each one of these, all I'm doing is just clicking the arrow and it's giving me the drop-down box. So the favorites, however you want it, if you want your number one favorite, the number one place you want to go, make that number one. And then any notes here. So great library on campus. Anything that you want to remember about the school that really applies to you is a great place for notes. So that's essentially how it works. It's a really easy sheet to use. It's not super complex, but it's just a place for you to stay organized. If you wanted to change any of these drop-down boxes, you just hit the edit button and then add another item. Say if you wanted to put 6, click this to customize the color, and then you choose whatever you want and hit OK. And then hit done. And then we are not going to apply to all for this one because there's 3 other drop-down boxes. And if you said yes, it would apply to all 3 of them and then you'd make a mess. So if we go in here and the drop-down box is 6, all I'm going to do is click in the cell. There's a little dot and then I'm going to now drag that down. And then what you could do is once you're in here, hit the delete. Okay, click on this next cell, click on the delete button, and then it's going to bring it to a gray, and then you could drag that down all the way to the bottom, and now it's going to show your new 6. So that's essentially how to change it. This tab here is for the instructions. There should be a link to the YouTube video once you receive it. This is the Google Sheets instructions. When you get this, if this is Excel, the only difference is the colors of the drop-down boxes won't be there. It'll look, a lot of it will look blank and you have to click on the cell and then there's a little tag that kind of brings out to the side and then you can click on it and to show up the drop-down box. So it doesn't look as pretty, it still works, but that's just the only other difference in Excel in this. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I'm at savvyandthriving.com and you have a great day.